Hey guys, so I'm here to review these adhesive cable clips. I actually received 2 packages, and as you can see I haven't broken into this package yet, but wanted to show these to you before I did. And the package is stapled here in the middle. But it comes with 6 in the package, and there's different kinds. There's a single kind, and then there's the double kind. And basically these just hold your cables in place. I use these at work. I have one on my desk because the charger for my work phone kept ending up on the floor. So I got this to attach next to my keyboard where my phone normally sits when it's being charged. And whenever I'm not using the charger, I just click the cord into place and it stays there so it doesn't end up on the floor. And these have adhesive backs that you peel off and stick. I'm not going to peel it off and stick it to this because that would just be wasting one. I'm actually going to also use these to keep my chargers here at home off the floor. And we're going to test them first to see if they stick to the wall. And we're going to do that because I have one cord that's like 3 foot long, and it ends up getting stepped on a lot. So these come in handy, especially if you have, like, say, a work phone and a personal phone, and you're at your desk a lot for work. Then these are great to have to keep your cords from getting away. Also for cords that end up falling behind the desk or your dresser or whatever, these are great to have to keep them from doing that. So I definitely recommend these. These aren't very expensive, and they have the 3M adhesive pads, and 3M is a very top brand for adhesives and tapes. And as you can see here, it just gives you examples of how they can be used. Also, if you have cords that are kind of heavy, you can use these to help relieve pressure on the cord too, so it's not, say, tugging on the side of your computer and pulling down and possibly damaging something in your computer. So definitely check these out. Don't forget to follow us on other social media and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you later. Bye.